If you've been using your phone and your internet connection, you've never made money online before, this is the best time you can actually make your first $10. You can turn that your scrolling online to actually a money-making machine. And after you're done watching this video, you can make money, withdraw it directly into your bank account just by sitting comfortable, pressing your phone and actually doing some tasks with your phone, and you start cashing out. So your phone can be a money-making machine. The best part is this is available around the whole world. If you're watching from Nigeria, India, Bangladesh, United States, Pakistan, Indonesia, South Africa, Ghana, anywhere around the world, this is available for you. Just sign up with your email and your password and you are good to go, and you start calculating every pay to $1. That's how you start making money from this website. So every single time you spend right here, we start making you money. You spend 1 minute, you make money. You spend 5 minutes, you make money. And if while watching this video you enjoy anything, you get any value, make sure you hit on that subscribe button. That motivates us to create more videos. So with that being said, you want to make money online, let's get right straight into the video right
Take a look at this website right here. From this website that you are seeing right here, you can be able to make some money for yourself. I mean, cool money. Now, the name of this website is called Talent. Before you go to any place and start searching for it, or before you click on the link down there to sign up or do anything, make sure you watch this video from beginning to the ending, because it's actually very important for you to watch, so you will not make mistake while trying to do some things on this website. Now, what is this website for? They say Talent is a remote job market for talent and influencer. Join our community and work from home anywhere. Okay, so if you are using this website, you can work from anywhere. Now, what you can use to earn on this in particular website: talent, influencer, and micro jobs. So you can be an affiliate marketer right here. You can get paid fast at low cost. Talent pay digitally, so you get paid faster for less cost. Okay, so they pay digitally. You can withdraw with your maybe cryptocurrency, or you can withdraw directly to any. There are just a lot of withdrawal options right here if you start making money right here on this in particular website. Now, if you actually scroll down once again, you can see there are a lot of things you can do right now. So what I'm going to be doing right now is I'm going to be signing in straight into my own Talent account. I have a Talent account for more than 3 years now, but I don't use it, right? In fact, it's been long since I actually log in. So I come across this type of website again, and I feel like the type of website I need to show you guys again, so you can actually use to make money, especially if you have never made anything online. This is where you can start from. This is the best website you can use to make money for yourself. So what I'm doing right now is I'm signing in straight into my account. If you don't have an account before, just click on this register button. So once you click on this register button, you put in your full name, you select your account type. Now, once you are selecting your account type, they say this one says I'm employee, this one says I'm freelancers, right? Now, what you're going to do right now is click on this one that says I'm freelancer while signing in your account. Then you click on date of birth, put in your correct date of birth, input your email, input your password again, and then select the country you are from. Selecting your country you are from will make them know the type of task to give you. So don't just select any country that you will not be able to complete their task, right? Now click on I accept the terms and conditions and I wish to receive newsletter. Then click on I'm not a robot. Then sign up. Once you do that, you'll be able to sign up straight into this particular website. Or the next option is you can either sign in with Google. That one will be also easy, but you will still have to fill in some of these informations later. But I would still advise you either use Google or use your email. But for me, because I have an account before, I just need to go straight and then log in straight into my account. So let me click on login right now. So once I click on login, I can easily autofill my account. And then click on I'm not a robot. So once I click on I'm not a robot, I'll be able to get straight into my accounts right now. Immediately I get straight into my account, you're going to see how the interface look like inside. Okay, so like I mentioned, this is one of the best website ever. So you can see they say hello RDBC. Yeah, it's also you can see right now deposit money, withdraw money. Now once you see this deposit money, don't panic. It's actually for employee right now. Okay, it's actually if you want to post task right here, you can actually deposit money, and if you want to withdraw your funds, you can click on withdraw money. This is the transaction, and this is my affiliate network. I don't really have people under me like that. So what I'm going to do right now is very simple. They say monetize your social media, create influencer ads. This creates influencer ads means you should create ads. Now, if you create ads, people that want to make money on this website will come right here. They will actually complete your task, and of course, they will make money from it. Now, this one that says post a gig also, you can actually post a job where people will make money. My heart, this is where you see your heart. So this is how everything do. Now, if you actually want to do a micro job, come to this place that says do a micro job, which is where we are making money from. So I'm going to click on do a micro job because that is our main focus right now. Now, this one, they say CPA offer, complete any offer to unlock your code. Now, if you click on this one right here, this task will take you just 5 minutes to complete. About 55 people already complete the task, which will earn you 4 cents, which is $0.0. Right now, once you click on this task, you complete the task and you earn 4 cents. This one that says simple sign up and verify email right here, this will take you just 1 minute to do. Now, for you to know how simple the ads is, you see the amount of people under this in particular ads that already do this, that already complete this in particular task. This one inside 1,650 people, over 1,539 people already complete the task, which is one thing you can also do. You can see this will give you $0.06, which is actually 6 cents. Now, this one says sign up time bulk website, new user only. This will take you 5 minutes to do, and you actually earn $0.05. This one says complete quiz, sign up and claim reward, or play screenshot. This will take you just 5 minutes to do, and you actually earn 5 cents. Now, you can see this is how every single thing go. Now, this one say create a fresh Gmail account, a fresh new Gmail account. This will take you just 5 minutes and you earn over $0.10. Now, take a look at this one that say $0.10. It take you just 5 minutes to do. This one down here, it take you just 3 minutes to do. Now, what you are doing right now is something very, very simple, right? Now, if you are able to complete this one that take you 5 minutes to do, because we have a lot of tasks like that right here on highertalent.com. So what you are doing right now is you are going to complete this type of task like 10 in about 50 minutes, and you're able to earn $1 while doing that. So every hour you can be able to earn $1 on this same particular website that you are seeing right here. Now, the website don't pay much because this is not a Ponzi scheme and this is not a get rich quick scheme. Now, all you need to do is to actually work right here, and you're actually going to make money while working. So you can see this how everything is done. So you can see this one down here will take you 3 minutes. So you can see a lot of tasks like this. So if you can actually dedicate about 5 hours of your time every single day on this website, you will actually make money. You will make at least $5 daily if you can actually dedicate that time, because tasks here are always very simple. So the next thing I'm going to do is something very simple. Now we need to come right here. This is CPA offer, complete any offer to complete code. You can see to unlock code. This one where you just 4 cents. So after learning how you can actually do your job right here, the next thing we do is to learn some type of things right here, how you can withdraw our monies after earning, because it's actually very, very important. You don't just want to come to a website whereby you make money but don't know how to withdraw the money. Now we click on this one that says withdraw money. Once you click on this one that says withdraw money, you can see right now withdrawable money I have right now on my account is just $0.1, but the minimum amount I can withdraw is just $1. All right, that one there is no problem. You just need to make more money. Now they say you can withdraw with Litecoin. Minimum withdrawal is $7, right? What is Litecoin? Litecoin is actually a cryptocurrency we all know. So if you don't know what Litecoin is, still comment down there. I'm still going to make a video about that. Now this one says you can withdraw with Wallet. Minimum withdrawal is $1. You can also download Wallet, withdraw with Wallet. So from Wallet, you withdraw directly straight into your bank account. That's how it is done. So I can actually put in the amount I want to withdraw right now if I have that minimum amount. And they say cryptocurrency minimum withdrawal is $7, which is $7. Minimum withdrawal for wallet is $1. Now, why they use cryptocurrency is to actually make sure this available around the whole world, and it is very easy to actually withdraw. Yes, that's why cryptocurrency is there. And they say for withdrawal we charge 10% fee. So I would advise you earn more than $1 if you actually want to make withdrawal, because they're actually going to remove their 10% fee. So this money can be enough for you to do some things. So you can make $5 a year if you want to dedicate just small of your time, which is just 5 hours of your time every single day. Now what I'm going to do right here is something simple next. So after that, you click on withdraw money. That's after you fill in the amount you want to withdraw right now. But I don't have that minimum amount of withdrawal, so that's how you can actually make your withdrawal. And also you can also come to their settings if you have anything you want to set right now, maybe about your account security, notification settings, API access, but we don't need all that. So you already learn how to make money right here and how to withdraw, which is our plan. If you enjoy watching this video up to this moment and you gain any value from this video, please give this video a thumbs up. And if this is your first time coming across my channel, make sure you click on that subscribe button and of course turn the notification bell icon on, so whenever I make video like this, you get notified instantly. This will motivate me to actually create more video every single day for you guys. Then what make me come back, make more research to create more video. So if you're also watching right now, you can as well drop a comment down there in the comment section. You need a link to sign up on this website. You can check the video description or check the pinned comment down there. So with that being said, guys, this will be the end of this video. I already show you everything you need to know right here, and make sure you didn't make any mistake. Take it serious, and of course you are going to make money with this in particular website. So as an employee, you come on right here, because I know there are some people that will want to post job right now. They say find an influencer just to grow your business, promote your business right now. And you can also post job right here. Now you are posting job for people to come on right here, complete that job, and of course earn from it. Now my micro job, I don't have any micro job because I didn't post any job right now. That is how it is done. They say in this system you can have hundreds of people complete tasks for you. Thousands of workers are ready to start. For example, you can have 100 people write blog posts for your company for just $1 each. The type of job you choose is entirely up to your creativity. Okay, that's how it's done right now. So you can also come right here, you post job. Once you post job, people do your job, and of course they get paid while doing your job. So this is all for this video, guys. Like I mentioned, if you find it very useful or you gain any value from it, give it a thumbs up. This is your first time coming across my channel, make sure you subscribe, turn the notification bell icon, so whenever I create more video like this, you can notify immediately. Thanks for watching my video, guys, and I will see you in the very next video. Peace.